Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm Baba Money, where we trade in Nascraq live every single day. Goodness gracious. Top left of your screen, we can see we're about 200-ish away from making these accounts green again. I did take another trade after stream yesterday. Just this second entry short. It was more of a I believe it was probably on another chart here. Yeah, it was a trap trade on the 5-minute chart that I wanted. Little spike down. This is the 5-minute chart. Isn't that crazy? The whole range on the 5-minute yesterday was top to bottom 146 points. That's crazy. On the Nascraq. On the Nascracky. We got an inside bar daily chart. We're obviously opening above it today. You know what? Why can't we get this kind of price action just during the regular trading hours? I mean, the Globex, the price action is better in the Globex, pandas. Look at this. This is insane. We have a huge gap when we open. Pandas, I hope you guys are doing well. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome. We trade pure price action here every single day. Yesterday, we had a small red day, but today, pandas. We're going to turn that red to green. Hope you guys are doing well. Let me say good morning to a couple of my pandas here. Crimson Demon, good morning, pandas. Let's smoke some Nascraq. Benali, good morning. Bubstock, good morning. Bamboo Day. Let's go. Bill 7, good morning. Scalp, scalp, scalp that like button. Day Trader. Black Ops 6 time. Black Ops 6 time is over. Black Ops 6 time is over. Wake up! Wake up! It's bamboo time. Crimson Demon says not Black Ops, it's Sparking Zero. I never heard of Sparking Zero, huh? Bill saying that would be too easy. Price action. Yes, exactly. I mean, why does it look like this in the Globex and then looks like trash in the regular trading hours? It's actually trash. What in the world? Look how much overlapping bars there are. Get a nice bounce off the 20 EMA here. What in the world? Spike channel. Spike channel. Huh. Something like that. That's what it looks like to me. Undershoot, then finally so overshoot, finally leading to undershoot here. I guess I could just extend this. We got the overshoot, undershoot. Now we're staying within the channel. Interesting. Something like this. Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. Interesting. Is it like a Street Fighter type game? What's that game that I was playing? The Deadlock. Pandas. Let me tell you something right now. If you haven't watched Wild Robot yet, please go watch it. DreamWorks is cooking. They are absolutely cooking. It's so good. Wild Robot. It's not as good as Puss in Boots 2, but it's up there. It's pretty good. Wild Robot, I do not. There was not a moment where I'm not like glued to the TV or glued to the screen. There's not a moment that I wasn't I wasn't interested in watching. But it's like let me just tell you, it tugs on those heartstrings. It surely does. Man, that's what we have here now. Second entry long here. Second entry long, but I guess why not? Don't fight it, right? Don't fight what's obvious. It's a second entry long. Looking for 10 points at least. Risking very little here. Don't fight what's obvious. We're off for trend line and also the 20 EMA. I don't know if I want to risk more than this, but my risk is very small here. It's about 5 points. My risk is about 5 points here. Oh, I don't know. I want to hold until this one bar is finished. I want to finish this one bar up. That means I'm risking a little bit more than I should. Okay. Right, 10 points risk is like 10-point risk is right here. Maybe my risk was just too small. Let's try here. If it does push down again, we're out. Ooh. Okay, looks like we're gonna get hit here. I could do a 1-to-1 risk reward here. But if it pushes down again, do I really want to stay in this trade? I really want to stay in this trade if it pushes down again? I don't think so. Let's take the hit here. It's stinky, but it is what it is. I could do a 1-to-1, but I'd rather just wait for another setup to go long. I'll just take the hit. It's less than 10 points. We start the day off with an L. It's a darn shame. I mean, it's a second entry long off two key areas. The 20 EMA and also the trend line, so... We're still in this trade, though, pandas. We're amazingly still in this trade. I don't think we're going to last very long, though. I don't think we're going to last very... Wow, we're still in this trade, pandas. Are we going to... Are we... okay, we get hit. I was dreaming. I was a dreaming panda. But it does get hit here. If I really like the long, I'll go long again, but... Not worth it. Keep extending that stop loss. The only reason why I extended that stop loss is because my risk was too small. It was like 5 points, but at the end of it all, I should have just taken the 5-point hit, huh? Y'all saying just DCA today? Just DCA everything? Maybe. I like the idea of DCAing when it comes to like trading ranges. But when there are strong trends, it's a little harder to DCA because you already know the moves are big. I mean, I tried. I mean, that made sense to me. Signal bar was not the best, but second entry long, off the trend line, also offered 20 EMA. It was worth a chance. It was worth a shot, sorry. It's worth a shot. I've got 30 seconds to market open. Pandas, are you ready to make some bamboo? Are you ready? Pandas! Are you ready? Market just open. Blast off, of course. Goodness gracious. I guess that was the move I wanted. I guess that was the move I wanted. I mean, I guess I could have held it a little bit more. What? I don't even know the price point here. The low of this was... Wow. If I actually had a 10-point risk, I would have been able to hold that until the end. Jeez Louise, Pandas. Alright, we're flying up. We're looking for a long trade. It's almost buy anywhere, everywhere, all at once type situation right now. I mean, look at the daily chart. We're just skyrocketed up. 5-minute chart, huge gap. Oh, we want to fill this gap for sure today. I almost just want to buy anywhere. Trying to fill that gap and scale in. Might go without me. It'd probably go without me. Ooh, okay. Might have a chance here. Ooh. Okay. I think it did fill the gap. Did we fill the gap already? Yeah, we filled the gap. I'm looking for 10 points though, minimum. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Fills the gap again, bounces off the gap again. I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all. It's bouncing off the gap here perfectly. And we're still trying to get that 10 points. Uh-oh. Second entry long? Should I even try? It's insane mode. We just had, what, 5 overlapping bars in a row? Six overlapping bars in a row? We cannot break up previous candle's high. Alright, we're in. Let's see if we get something here. It's just a second too long.
Target filled.
Alright. I'll take it, pandas. I'll take it. I'll take any green. Goodness gracious, it got crazy here. Way too many overlapping bars in a row. It's getting a little sus now. Getting a little bit sus now. Probably look for a reversal here, actually. Ooh, never mind. We're just bouncing off the 20 MA. I mean, do I fight this uptrend at all? This is just a monster uptrend. It's just got so choppy here. Keeps pushing up. Just keeps pushing up. Always in long on the 5-minute chart, Panda. Something's in the water. Something is happening. We got an always in long on the 5-minute chart, and it's rocketing right now. I mean, this might be just a buy anywhere, everywhere type situation. I feel like I just buy anywhere, everywhere. I feel like I can buy anywhere, everywhere. Next reversal up, I'm buying. Goodness gracious, what's happening? Is this an exhaustive move? Whoa! Okay. I'll do it. Sure, why not? Buy anywhere, everywhere. Buy the bottom of this bar. Maybe I could scale in one time. I don't like to scale in. But I feel like I gotta buy near the 20 EMA here. If it does come down to this point, I feel like I gotta try to buy here. Just take the hit if it does get me. Oof. This is a big reversal here, huh? Such a strong move up. I thought we were going to continue up. I can come out break even if I wanted to right there. I think that's what traders did. I think they came out break even. I could have came out break even, but I lost my opportunity. If it pushes down again, this could be bad news for me. Very bad news for me. But I'll take the hit. I was ready for that risk here. Come out break even if I can at this point. It's a little bit scary. Or I can make money on my... Ooh. Come out break even my original position, but make money on my second position. Hopefully, we get the second entry long and it rockets up. But it's not looking good, pandas. It's not looking good at all. I guess this was exhaustive move, right? Because when you have a big move like this but no follow through, it usually means exhaustive. We can just reverse here. It's all good. We'll take the hit. Whatever happens, happens, pandas. You gotta just remember, in trading, whatever happens, happens. You move on. You learn from your mistakes. And you move on. Okay, big push up here. I think this is an appropriate stop loss now. Almost came out break even there. If we do trap trade here, I don't know. Maybe I'll reverse it. The fact that we had exhaustive move with no follow through whatsoever. But this is your second entry long here. I could reverse it maybe if we trigger it. I could try. I guess I'll try. I don't know. I'm reversing this trade. See, when you reverse it, it gets rid of all your stop losses. I hate that. It gets rid of all. I wish it reversed it completely. But as I gotta flatten this if I reverse one more time back up. The trap is failing, but the fact that we had an exhaustive move and it just reversed, I feel like this could be a reversal point. I mean, this exhaustive move, we have zero follow through, so it just keeps pushing down, and trap does trigger here. But I'm ready to flatten this and take a double loss, which is big pain. Okay. I'll have my stop loss right here. Ready to flatten. Wow, pandas. It's getting tricky. Bought here, scaled in here. Second entry long, traps. Wow. Okay, pandas. I'm sitting in my pause. I'm down 500. Let's calm down, pandas. Abraham says, anyone else having issues with buying Apex evals? Apparently there's some issue with payment processor. I haven't bought one recently, but I don't think I have an issue. I haven't had an issue for a while. John Q says, you can learn during probation, mister. No probation. Not for me. This tricked me for sure. Right, trap triggers, then the trap traps, and it's just getting all funky. Like, why can't we just get the clean price action we had in the overnight session during the regular trade? Now it's getting funky, right? We had like 7, 8 overlapping bars in a row here. Now we're getting all of this junk here going in and out of the 20 EMA here. I mean, pandas, it's getting confusing. What can I say? Down 525, no big. No big here. Let's get a good one. Our next trade. Next trade is going to be beautiful. Get ready. Spike. Channel. Overshoot, undershoot. Okay. Now double top type situation. I mean, I guess trading range now. Something like this for now. But it makes me feel like it's going to be like this. But I don't know. We're going to try here, see what happens. If we get hit here, it is what it is. Move on, next trade. We have a hard time breaking through top of this trading range. Maybe. Hold. Hold. Pandas, hold. Hold! Come on! Hit my first target, please. My 1-to-1.
Target filled.
Pandas! easy. Pandas. Trading is the easiest thing I've done. Oh, am I still in this trade, or is it like doing the weird thing? Okay, good. Pandas! Pandas! We killing it. We absolutely killing it. 2,500 tick chart. This is second entry long. Second entry long off the 2,500 tick chart. I mean, that's all it was. You can see here it was a 1-to-1 trade, and then in the 1-to-2 it gets hit as well. I mean, should I just buy the next candle, the next 5-minute candle? Just buy. Woo, we got a little whiplash right there. A little whippity lashly. Okay. Creating a high base here. It looks like it wants to push more. I mean, I'm always buying until otherwise. Ooh. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Always in long 5-minute chart. Jeez. What's stopping this? I'm buying. I'm buying the next reversal up. I do not care. I'm just buying anywhere. If the market gives you a situation where you just gotta buy anywhere, everywhere, just jump in, pandas. Jump in and enjoy the ride. You know what I mean, pandas? That's all you gotta do. And you keep doing it until it no longer works. We're just buying here. Buying anything, everything, all at once. Everywhere, all at once. Will we make this? I have no idea. Spiking channel. People buying limit orders here, I'm hoping. Just holding, pandas. Just holding.
Target filled.
Pandas! I'm telling you, when the market says buy, you buy. When the market, when the 5-minute chart looks like this, pandas, I mean, what else can you do but just buy anything, everything? Look at this. The close of that bar, people just bought it all up. We're always in long trading right now. Close of this bar, people bought it up. Close of this bar, there's a little hesitation, but ends up being strong. And, you know, pandas, the price action is saying always in long. The market's always in long. We're trying to find as many bullish setups as possible. First entries, limit order buys, anything, everything. What in the world, pandas? I'm buying here. I do not care. I'm going to continue to buy. Check this out. Okay. Little sus. All right. Okay, I'm sorry. Ooh. Oh, am I even get it? Am I gonna even get it? I can't even get it, pandas. Can't even get in this trade. Sit on my pause for a little bit. Next setup, second entry long, right? Simply off our trend line. But this is just a massive bull bar. I'm almost wanting to buy at the end of this 5-minute chart. Just buy anything, everything. Just because that's what the market's been doing. It looks exhausted. Does it look exhausted though? I don't even know. I guess not, pandas. I guess not. Look at this spike in channels. It's insane. The 5-minute chart. The moment this candle finishes, am I buying here? 2,500 tick. Also just insanely bullish. Nothing here telling you otherwise. It's just a big channel. Not a broad channel, but it's been there for a while. All right, another reversal up. Daily chart. Wow, we are just... Are we finally breaking out of the trading range here that we've been here forever? I feel like it's not going to happen today, though, right, Pandas? Like, I feel like if it's going to happen next week, where we have all of this news, right? Fed is going to drop rates, everything. It's going to be a lot of news next week. Oh, sorry, let me see. What are they doing next week? I don't think they're lowering interest rates. Let me check. Next week. Oh, yeah, there's no FOMC. Second entry long here. Ooh, I should have taken it. What am I doing? I was too focused on looking at news. No! Oh, boy. Oh, boy. If it gives me a higher low here, I'll take it. Gives me a higher low, I'll take it. Higher low, I'll take it. Actually, maybe I'll just buy at the close of the 5 minute. I couldn't even get in. I couldn't even get in, Pandas. Am I just buying this higher low? This is the close of the 5 minute candle. I'm just buying it at the close, see what happens. Okay, we're in. It's another mini second entry long here forming. Goodness gracious. Just buying at the close of every 5 minute. Always in long. You could use a wide stop, like a huge stop, but it's not my style. I can't handle that kind of... Obviously, I can't handle that much risk. Okay, the always in long is not as strong in this situation as it has been, but we're in this trade, nevertheless. Second entry long, about to form here. Okay, second entry long does form. Let's see what comes of this. It doesn't look too hot though, Pandas. I'll tell you that much. It doesn't look too hot right now. Okay. Is it gonna reverse right here? I don't think so, Pandas. Not like this. But it is struggling to push up here. It is struggling quite a bit here. Like to the point, if I don't even know if we're gonna get our target. I want at least 10 points, Pandas.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Pandas! We are making accounts green again, Pandas. We're absolutely killing it. I love this price action right now. Just buy anything everywhere all at once. That's all it is. Up 750, Pandas. Not even complaining. I'm not even complaining right now. That's amazing. Starting to get a little choppy here. Maybe showing signs of trading range. Most likely trading range rather than reversal. But we'll see. Should I just buy here? Buy at the bottom? Nah. Let this pull back a little bit. Maybe let it cool down a little bit here. I mean, bulls are just relentless. They do not even care. They're buying anything everywhere. They just don't care, Pandas. They really just don't care. They're just buying anything everywhere. Limit order buys off the 20 MA here. Another push up. I mean, we have too many overlapping bars. I'm not going to buy here, but I mean, we are bullish. So your buys are your best bet currently. But look, we're late in trend, right? Like the longer you wait, you're late in trend. Like, I mean, look at this trend. If you don't think you're late in trend now, I mean, I don't know what's going to convince you, but you're late in this uptrend. It's pretty far up. And Albrook says when you're late in trend like that, like this, scalp. Do more scalping. Don't do swing trading because you're not really expect. You have less chance of it continue to. Every trade now, as this uptrend continues, is less and less probability. Every trade now, and especially when you're this late, it's better just to protect your profits because you don't know how much further it's gonna really swing. If you start early in trend, then obviously you want to keep it big because if you caught it early on, then you have a huge, potential. But when you're this far in trend, this late in trend, then, pandas. You know what I'm trying to say? Know what I'm saying? Hope that makes sense. Candle's about to end here on the 5-minute chart. I don't know if it's going to be another always in long candle. But it could be. Anything stopping me from just buying here? Just at the close of this candle? Anything stopping me? Other than my brain? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Inside bar. I'm keeping a close eye on the 5-minute candle or 5-minute chart. Because people are just buying the close of every candle. They're just buying it up just like this. Wow. Another always in long trade. They just say right when the candle closes, they just buy it. Right when this candle closes, they just buy it. Buy, 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 buy. We can tell it's slowing down a little bit here. But geez, I mean, this pop-up's nice. I should just bought. I just keep buying until it doesn't work anymore. That's my mistake. That is my mistake, pandas. John Q, when you're late, it's bait. Ooh, I like that. I like that. It rhymes. How can you not like it? It rhymes and makes sense. How can you not like it? Pandas, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm just focused on the charts. I mean, when you get price action like this, you gotta make the most of it, pandas. You gotta make the most of it. Because days like this are rare. Days like this are rare. The strong trending days. We haven't seen one in a while. But I don't like how during this uptrend, you're getting this nasty price action here. I don't like that. And also, when you're this far away from a 20 MA, you got to think that eventually you're going to come down to it. Eventually you're going to come down to it. Okay, tell me any other trader that keeps up all his trade markers up. There's no other trader that does it like we do it here. No one does it like what we do, how we do it here, pandas. Keep all our trade markers up. Who in the world does that? No one has the cojones to do that. No one has the cojones to keep all their trade markers up. Pandas, what's going on here, pandas? What is happening? It's so hard just to buy anywhere now. We're so late in trend, but pandas, that's what seems like what the bulls are doing. They do not care. Are we squeezing here? Are we just squeezing them to death? The bulls, or sorry, the bears. Spike channel. Wowzers. Wowzers, pandas. What do I do here? What do I do here, pandas? Another always in long trade. The moment this candle finished, notice bulls just bought it, and you saw a spike here when that happened. Oh my gosh, pandas! I can't even time this correctly. They're still always in long. They're still always in long. Bulls have been dreaming of days like today. Goodness gracious, I couldn't even get in. That's crazy. The moment that candle closed. You can tell because there's no tails, right? There's no wick underneath it. The moment the candle closes, they bought it. The moment this candle closes, they buy it. The moment this candle closes, they bought it. The moment this candle closes, they bought it. The last, 4 bars, they just buy it. The moment the candle closes. High or low? I guess I'll take a second entry long. See what happens. I mean, if you're going to give me a second entry long, I'll take it. I'll take it. No second entry long for you. That's what they said. No second entry long for you. I mean, should I just buy it? If I'm patient, I'll at least wait for a small pullback, no? Like, down here or something? Wow. Alright, no pullbacks. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for waiting for a pullback. Please don't hurt me. Pandas. It's almost too strong. Like I'm not used to this. It's been so long since we had movement like this, pandas. It's just been like months and months and months before I've seen a move. Before I've seen this kind of move. This used to happen a lot, but man, pandas, right now it's a desert in terms of volatility. But this is just moving, and it's been so long. I'm just not used to it, pandas. Like I guess I should just buy anywhere. I know the moment I buy, it's gonna reverse. Just watch. The moment I go along, it's gonna reverse. Just watch. Pops up here a little bit. Popping up here. Popping here a little bit. Popping here. Okay. 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 I don't know. What do I do? Sit in my pause. Buy here. Buy 20 EMA. Buy the higher low. But believe it or not, the ATR right now is actually quite small when it comes to the 500 tick. Right, the ATR is actually kind of small on across all time frames. So that means this is a trickling. It's relentless, but it's trickling. I don't know. How many bars in a row is this? Do I take the higher low here? I'll just wait for a 20 EMA hit, I guess. $20 EMA hit. Let's see if we get anything out of this. We haven't touched a 20 EMA in a very long time. Oh, we're in. And the moment we go long, pandas, the moment we go long, It reverses hard. I knew it. I knew it. It's all good. I think it was reasonable to try to buy off the 20 EMA here. You know, we have like 40 candles above it. It's fine. I'll take that hit. As long as it's reasonable, right, pandas? Okay, next reversal back up. Pretty strong move, if you ask me. Give me a higher low and I'll go long. Give me a higher low, I'll go long. Or should I buy long at the close of this candle on the 5-minute chart again? Just buy right at the close. No, I'll look for a higher low. It's fine. I'm patient here. I don't have much to lose. Waiting here, higher low, second entry long essentially, but really I'm looking for the higher low in the super strong uptrend. It looks like it wants another leg down, perhaps. Okay, trying to make a new low here. Will it make it though? Is the question. Will it make it to the new low? It's hard now, right, to go long here because you want this downtrend to play out. Maybe double bottom here. Okay, now it's pushing down pretty hard. On the 5-minute candle, it's a small pullback actually. On the 5-minute, this is actually considered a small pullback right now. Traders may still buy at the bottom, at the close of this bar. It's a trap trade here. Not interested because we're a super strong uptrend. So I'm not looking for any shorts right now. Still, the uptrend is just too strong, in my opinion. I mean, if this reverses here, then fine, that's good. Good for the bears, but it's just tough. Knowing what just happened, just trying to reverse it here, in my opinion. Most pullbacks are small, right? The first pullback like this are usually small. Usually. That's a key word, usually. That means sometimes it's not. This trap reverses here. Right, you're not liking this trap anymore if you're in this trade. But we might want 2 legs down on the higher time frames, maybe. Maybe. Just quite possibly. If we get above the 20 EMA, then I might be interested in going long again. Getting above the 20 EMA here. It's another first entry on the 2500 tick. Are we looking for one more leg down is the question. Higher low, that'd be more interesting. Taking a higher low here may be interesting here. It's a first entry on the higher time frame, 2500 tick. But we might want one more leg down. Or 2 legs down on the higher time frames. Break of trend to new low on the lower time frame. I think that's what I'm waiting for, Pan. I'm sitting on my pause. Otherwise, I'm confused. Who knows? Maybe I'll just buy on the 5-minute the moment the candle closes. Just buy. Continue to always see if the always in long is still true. Okay. Pretty strong push down here. Higher low. Tempting. Tempting. I'd rather take a fail second entry short here. It's a second entry short here forming. Looking for a new low perhaps. But the trend is so strong. But the new low here makes sense too. The new low here makes a lot of sense to me as well. Trying to make a new low here. Or it could be already made with a break of trend to new low here. That could be the case as well. Let's see what happens. I'm not going to take this short. I may take the reversal back up. Okay. So it looks like it wants a new low here, right? Hard time getting above the 20 EMA. Really depends on how you want to draw your trend line. You could draw it like this, break a trend, new low. I'm going to try here. Just because the uptrend's been so strong, trap to the long side. It's too tempting for me. Okay, in this trade. I could do a swing trade, which is like down here, and really hope for a nice swing. Trap to the long side. We could look for something juicy, like a new high here. We could look for something really juicy, pandas. One-to-one was made. I may have to do the swing trade here. I hate to do it, but I think I'm forced to make the swing trade here. Yikes. It's not looking good. That's a darn shame. Yep, takes me out. What a big push down. I was hoping for the 5-minute candle inside bar to make it, but it actually creates a double reversal here on the inside, on the OI pattern here. That's unfortunate. 2,500 tick now. We're right on the 20 EMA. I almost just want to buy here as well. But we'll wait for a second entry long on the 2,500 tick. Go long again. The first pullback's usually small, so, and this is like the second leg down, 2,500 tick. This is what I was kind of thinking might happen, 2 legs down on the higher time frames. At the end, what it ended up being is this move. I mean, I could have got my 1-to-1. I wanted more though, because I saw the inside bar break on the 5-minute chart that we can get more. Apparently not. Apparently not, pandas. I could have got my 1-to-1 here, but I wanted the 1-to-2. Pushing down again here. Okay. Pushing down pretty strong. Looks like a new low is trying to be created. Very interesting, pandas. Very interesting here. I hate to do it, but there is a trade here. It's a second entry long, but the signal bar is just one of the ugliest signal bars I've ever seen. Huh. Kind of hitting a pivot here. This looks bearish right now. Like, this looks bearish. Good signal bar to push down from. Ooh, but that trap is failing. I'll take it. I'll try, pandas. Let's see what happens. Hoping for something nice here. Get a nice juicy trade. I'll go in again. With a fail second entry short, I'll take it. I may have to swing trade this. I hate that. But look at this bear bar. Jeez. For sure, for me, if it hits this, I'm no longer thinking long. I'm thinking maybe to go short here if it hits my stop loss. I hate to do the swing trade, but that's what I'm setting myself up for right now. The swing trade calls for a new high here. Fail second entry, short. We're gonna double our position here. If we get hit, we get hit. It's a darn shame. I almost want to reverse it, but I don't know. Let's take the hit instead. Almost want to reverse it. It's a reversal pattern, but the uptrend is so strong, I don't know if I want to do that. I'll just take the hit and move on because now it's confusing. Right, second entry long off the 2500 tick. Super strong uptrend off the 20 EMA. I'm taking the full risk too, so trap does trigger, most likely taking me out here. Trap does trigger on the 2500 tick. And it looks bearish. It is what it is. I get hit, move on, next trade. Ouch. I was pretty green today too. Now I'm down 175. Darn. Ah, man, that's what happens when you keep trying to go long. On a super strong uptrend and it stops working. That's the double-edged sword right there, pandas. I'll tell you that. I was up 750, now I'm down 175. And that's because I keep trying to go long on the super strong uptrend. And now it's like the pullback is much deeper than I thought it was going to be. Even though it's not even that deep. I guess I'll take a failed trap on 2500 tick. I don't know, pandas. Failed trap on 2500 tick could be big move up, but I think we're pretty much in this channel right now. Terrible price action right now. $2,500 tick fails. Trap fails here. Sickening. We're in this trade. Double contracts. Let's see if something good comes out of it. I'm not going to extend my risk more than this, but it's basically what I'm thinking right now is this has to push up here. If this doesn't push up here, pandas, we are dead. We're just chopped up to smithereens. If this doesn't work, pandas, we're chopped up to smithereens. I don't think I could take the full risk here. I can't do it. I can't pull myself to do it. Shooting for the stars, pandas. Shooting for the stars. It's a failed trap on the 2,500 tick, pandas. That's gross. A failed trap on a 2,500 tick usually is a big move the opposite way. It's gonna hold. See what happens. It's looking decent now. Looking decent. Nothing spectacular, but looking decent. Just grinding up. Grinding up right now. Hoping for a new high, pandas. Pandas!
Target failed.
Pandas! Easy peasy. What are my targets here, pandas? What's my targets here? Looking for a 1 to 2 here. Pandas! I mean, I might as well hold it. I might as well hold it. Look at the 2,500 tick. Strong bull bar ending on the nearest high. Look at that failed trap. It's just... It's usually... That's pretty disgusting if a trap fails like that on the 2,500 tick. It's just a first pullback. It's actually a second entry long. A second entry. No, it's the first entry. 5-minute chart. High or low here. Looking for a 1 to 2. Sure, why not? If I see strong signs of reversal, then I'll get out of this trade. But right now, pandas, we are looking just fine and dandy. This is actually looking so nice. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart. I'll take that for another always in long trade. Pandas! Coming back strong. Ooh, coming back really strong. Strong bear bar ending on its low here. Ah, that's it's not looking too hot for us right now, Pandas. Yeah, it's a small pullback, right? Small pullback. It's fine. It's healthy, right? That's a healthy pullback. That's super strong bear bar. It's healthy. Of course it's healthy. Of course it's a healthy pullback. Nothing wrong here, Pandas. Everything's fine. Nothing to worry about. Nothing at all. Yeah, it's just a test on the 20 EMA. Why are you guys freaking out? No reason to freak out right up here. Everyone calm down. Whew. Okay, strong bull bar. I love that. See if we can get a little higher low here. One more push up on the 2500 tick. 2 legs up here. I would love to see it. I could use this pivot. But I will not. I want a second entry long. I want to use a pivot. I want to use this pivot if we get it. If this triggers here, I'll use this pivot. If this triggers, the second entry long triggers, I'll use this pivot. What's that? Ew, what is that? Ew. What am I looking at right now? People just sold the close on the 5-minute chart. Right, if we trigger the second entry long, I'm going to use whatever pivot's lower here or here. It's a shame if it takes me out now, like all the way back down. It's a really darn shame if it does. It looks like it might. Wow, no chance here. No chance. It almost looks like a reversal now. Looks like it wants to reverse here. I mean, what's the difference between here and here, Pandas? I might as well keep it at break even. Might as well keep it at break even. Darn. I mean, just these pullbacks are just so strong. It's hard to predict that pullback was going to be like this. Like just boom, and then boom, 2 legs down, coming all the way back down to get me out. Like I wanted at least a second entry long. I wanted something. But the pullbacks have been too strong. Like I can't hold past this. At this point, what's the difference between this and this? Not much. Just going to hold it here. Gives me more opportunity. I mean, still a good trade at the end. Still a good trade. Let's see here. Okay. It's not the worst. Not the worst, Pandas. It's not the worst. It's not the worst thing ever. It's not the worst thing ever. The fact that we couldn't actually come back down here makes us feel very bullish now. Or the fact that we couldn't come back to the breakout area where I entered makes me feel like it's actually very bullish, right? Bears couldn't even bring it down to the right now. Bulls are rushing in. Higher low on the 2500 tick looks juicy. Higher low does trigger. I hope this just doesn't reverse and rips my face off. I really hope it doesn't. It might. I'm happy with whatever happens here, though. What's the difference between this and this at this point? I'll just take the hit. Come on, break even. I love this higher low here, right? The failed trap above the 20 MA. It's really nice. I almost want to use this now as my pivot low. Or at least where I came out on my first original entry, right? But it's not enough room. I need this to cook. I need this to cook, pandas. Okay. 5-minute close. Inside bar on a 5-minute chart. I would love to see it pop up. I really would love to see it pop up here. But if not, it's all good. As long as we're above the 20 MA, I feel safe. Pandas! Pandas! If it's a fail second entry short, I'm going in. I'm going in another position here. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Okay. Fail second entry short, I'll take it. Give me a fail second entry short, I'll take it. Darn, what is this? It's nasty. It's so nasty. So gross. If we get 2 closes underneath the 20 MA, I'm out. 2 closes underneath the 20 MA, I'm out. Every time I hold it too long, it never works, huh? Right, this is my original entry here.
Target filled.
I'm getting out my original. Right, basically coming out where I could have just came out both positions without my runner. And I'm just going to leave it at that, pandas. I mean, I like the bamboo I have here. I'm up 835 today. I'm up higher than I was before. I was up 1,000 when it was like up here, but pandas, this is getting too sus. It's getting way too sus now. A strong bear bar closing on its low. It actually looks pretty bullish now. Darn it. Pandas, but it just got too sus. I just didn't know what was happening. It was getting really sus. Suspicious. I'll take it. I'm happy with my bamboo. I got my bamboo. It's not the, you know, I would hate to see this because of my FOMO. I hate to see this blast off without me, but I think I'd rather see it blast off without me than me losing, you know, the extra 400 on that trade or whatever, how much I made on that trade. Extra 500. How much it was that, pandas? From here to here. Right, that's 520. I don't want to risk 520, which is pretty good. Ooh, but now it's looking nice and juicy. What's that about breakout? I mean, I could always go long again if I think the long is good. I think the trap on the 2500 tick, I almost want to take it. Trap on the 2500 tick. Right, 2500 tick chart is a trap trade waiting right above. Now that looks kind of juicy. Big wicks here, big bars, big overlap. Limit order trading obviously here, right? They buy at the bottom of this candle. They sell at the top of this candle. That's what's happening right now. So we're seeing limit order trading happen right before us. Austin Hare says, good trade, good decision, get out. Thanks, appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah, but the moment I get out of the trade, it's gonna just explode to the upside. I already know it. Trap trade ensuing here on the 500 tick. Do I like the trap? Not really. I'll take another failed trap here. All right, that's why I was waiting for 2 closes underneath the 20 EMA. 2 closes in a row. Not like here and here. This would be 2 closes in a row. Trap trade does trigger here, Pandas. Let's see how far down it goes. If this trap fails, I'll go long. If this trap fails, I'll go long. It doesn't look too hot for the bears right now. It looks choppy. I mean, at this point, this is just so choppy. Overall, probably bullish, but choppy. 20 EMA, completely flat, going in and out of it right now, making it very confusing. I almost wanted to go down so I don't have FOMO. I almost wanted to crash and just go to the downside so I don't have FOMO. So I know I made a good decision here. I mean, regardless, I made a good decision, right? You can't make a decision based off the results. You gotta make a decision based off the information you had before the results, right? That's what trading is. You gotta be forward looking. So your good decision is not necessarily met. It's not necessarily a good decision based off the results. With hindsight bias, you already it has been decided if it was a good or bad decision. And right now, I think it's a fine decision here. Just coming out break even. Not even break even, but with a nice profit, $500 profit. Okay, volatility completely drained from this market. Yikes, going in and out of the 20 EMA is just ridiculous right now. Okay, decent push down. I'm almost glad. I almost want. Okay, I'm gonna put a mark where I took my where I had my stop loss. 1 tick above here. If it touches this line here, Pandas, then greatest. I guess I don't know if you call this even a skunk. I wanted more, but I think. Alright, so here's our 2 bear bars underneath the 20 minute. I would just sold it right here, or I would have closed my position. Yeah, it was a sell though. Ooh, it'll pop up here. What's going on? $2,500 tick, setting itself up for a second entry long. But this looks like it wants a new low. This looks like it's curling downwards. You can tell the lower highs and the lower lows. It's curling downwards, making it look like it wants to make a new low here, or at least push down maybe one more time, a couple more times. But this curling down here makes it look like it wants to kind of have like a breakout, like a quick move down, and then maybe pop back up. That's what it seems like it wants to do. Hard to say though. Okay. Another push down. It's a steady move down right now. Very steady move down. Again, this line here, Pandas, is where I had my original stop loss. If we hit it, then I just saved myself 520 bamboo sticks. Wow, it just touched it right here. I would have got stopped out, Pandas. If I didn't take it out where I did, I would have got stopped out. Pandas, greatest skunk of all time. Oh boy. Now we're bouncing up. See, now we had that spike down. Now we're bouncing up. This is what I was talking about, pandas. We made that new low. Now we're bouncing up. After you take out everyone out on break even, now it wants to be bought up. Traders are buying. They're coming in. I could try here, I guess. I could try here, but no promises. Last trade of the stream. Either I'll be up 600 some, 685, or I'll be up 1,005. One or the other, pandas, right here. Here's the deciding trade. Am I gonna be up to 1,000, or I'm pandas? Pandas. Pit. Huh. 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 Huh.
Target
Huh. Easy peasy, panda. Pandas! That's the second entry long off the 2500 tick chart. That's all I did. Pandas! That's exact. I called that. I called that. It seems like it wants to spike down and then reverse back up. I called this price action perfectly. Pandas, max gains here. Right, 2500 tick spike down, it just creates a wick. Second entry long. I called that price action perfectly. Where else do you hear it like that? Where else do you hear the accuracy like that, pandas? Nowhere but here, pandas. Pandas! We're up 1K. Oh, these accounts, they're finally tasting the green. The sweet green pastures. We're finally in here, pandas. It's been so long. It's been so long. But you knew it was coming. You knew we were in the right trajectory. You knew we were getting there eventually. Pandas! Making accounts green all day, pandas. Woo! I love it. I love it. I love it, pandas. I love it. Especially on days like today. We finally got some big movements, right? It's not really big movements. We finally got consistent price action, just grinding up. Buy. And then I got a little small pullback because the pullback was strong. I kept buying in this pullback. But eventually was able to capitalize on a nice trade here. And yeah, pandas. That's trading, right? You get your ups and downs, right? What was the lyrics? You win some, you lose some. As long as the outcome is income. Pandas. Doesn't matter if you win some or lose some, as long as the outcome is income. Pandas! Somewhere in the rocket said, I had a big movement. Interesting. I hope it has to do with trading. I really do hope it has to do with trading. Otherwise, it's just a little weird. You're in a room full of a bunch of guys. I'm sorry. I know there's probably one or two, female pandas. I know there's probably one or two woe pandas, but majority of you guys are guys, and I just hope you're not talking about what I think you're talking about. Pandas! What a target! How perfect did we scalp that? And it reversed. We basically tick shot at the market. This time we tick shot the market. The market doesn't tick shot us. Trap does trigger on the 2500 tick. Could be a big move down. Second attempt. Trap trade. Wowzers, pandas. Wow. Alright, pandas. What a way to end the week. Next week, expect some high volatility. We got a bunch of news next week. Be on the lookout for my post that I'm going to put up showing all the news. I almost think all the news is big impact news. Wow, what a move down, pandas. What a move down. Are we on a downtrend now? Ooh. All right, Pens. I'm done. I'm done. No more. No more. I'm up 1K. I can't complain. I don't want to lose this green at this point. It's all good. Moashi jumping in saying good morning where we're just wrapping up here. I appreciate you jumping in though. Make sure you scalp that like button. Pandas, without you, we wouldn't be here right now. I hope you guys are doing better than me. I doubt it, but I hope you guys are doing better than me. I still hope it. Pandas! Have an amazing weekend, everyone. Have an amazing weekend. Don't you love it? 1 hour of trading. We're up 1K. You gotta love trading for trading itself, pandas. And that's how you get here. That's how you get here, pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Get your rest. And get ready, because next week we're going to do even better than we did this week, pandas. Think about the journey we had with this account. We were down like negative $2,000 at a certain point. We're down negative $2,000. Now we're up $700 some dollars. $900, $800 pretty much. Just remember where we came from, pandas. We're absolutely loving it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, or I'll see you guys Monday. Have an amazing weekend, everyone. Love you all. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.